How to fix Instagram filters not showing up. So if your Instagram filters are not showing up, for example, if you open up your Instagram application and if you simply open up your story or go to your story, and then if you try to use the filters, here you will have all of your filters, right? So if these filters doesn't load or if these filters don't work, then what you can do is simply go back and first open up your settings and go for apps and notifications and open up your Instagram on your settings, and then you can go for storage and cache, and you can tap on clear cache so that your cache will be cleared and now your Instagram will run smoothly. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you will find this kind of problems. So simply search for Instagram, and then if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram application. And after updating, you can simply go back and you can check your internet connection. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, if you're using Wi-Fi, then you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, and then you can switch that to your Wi-Fi, or you can simply turn that on or off, or you can disconnect it, or you can connect it again. You can do that. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall your Instagram application, and after uninstalling you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.